Kuki khutlai paiba singna angang ahum nupi ahum punna Meecham taruk pharaba matung tamthina Hatpada Chennaba shing phaduna Oiba Chap Chaba action Loukhattri Phaoba leingak na Tuminna Leiroi haina Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren phongdokkhre Juribam the Thokiba Thodok Aduga Mari Lainana microblogging Shara Moiriba extra Tagalakpa video message Amada Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren hai Juribam the Kuki khutlai paiba singna angang ahum nupi ahum punna Meecham taruk minungsilaitana hatkiba tu thamoi sokna nuaite Miyar adu awang bathakta condemn tawi asigumba yamna tamthiba lichat chaliba singa sim yoiba kunaida mafam amata leite nupi angang hatpa haiba sim yoiba kunai gi mayokta chathaba crime amani miyar asida chenaba singa thuba matamda phaduna logyoiba chap chaba action lokhatkani miyar asida chenaba sing phanaba hauze akanba mongda honari makoi singa si phaduna logyoiba chap chaba action Loukhattri Phaoba leingak ase tumina khak leithokloi Thasiki Taramatoida Kuki khutlai paiba singna chatharakiba attack aduda borobekra gi relief camp telaiba myoi kaya kannaba khonabada CRPF na laukiba thodang adu thagale starasida tangtulai tabu purangna ba central leader singna lauriba thodang thagale leingak asina kanglu phurup khaidana yam sapana thamna ba paikhat piyaba thabak sing hanba leitana paikhat kani haina mahana makha takhi
Today, I stand here with profound sadness and anger to condemn the horrific killing of 3 innocent children and 3 innocent women by the Kuki terrorists after being taken hostage at Jiribam. Such barbaric acts have no place in any civilized society. Let me assure you that the hunt for these terrorists is currently underway and they will be brought to justice very soon. We will not rest until they are held accountable for their inhuman actions. During this attack, about 40 to 50 heavily armed terrorists launched an assault on the internally displaced persons residing at a relief camp in Borobekra and even targeted the Borobekra police station in Jiribam district. Their aim was to spread fear and destruction. We will continue to take every necessary step to ensure the safety of our peoples, irrespective of which community we belong to. Let us all condemn such barbaric violence in the strongest term. The killing of innocent women and children is a crime against humanity, and such acts can never be justified. Together we will overcome this dark time and work towards a more peaceful future.